Pocket hole joinery is a great way to join boards into wide panels for things like tabletops. But keeping the board faces and ends perfectly aligned during assembly can be a little challenging. To make it easier, start by cutting your pieces a couple of inches extra long, and don't worry about aligning the ends. You'll cut the panel to size later. Just be sure to drill the first pocket holes a few inches from the ends. After assembly, the faces may not be perfectly flush, but you can sand the panel smooth easily. Before doing that though, make a pencil mark over the panel. That line acts as a guide so you can see where you've sanded and where you haven't. This helps prevent you from over-sanding the low spots. 80 grit sandpaper is a great place to start. Just keep the sander moving and watch as the lines begin to disappear. It takes a little time, but soon enough you'll sand away all the marks and know that your panel is smooth. When you're finished sanding, you can cut the panel to length. First, use a square to make marks near one end of the panel. Then align a saw guide, like the Kreg Accu-Cut, with the marks. Then cut this end. Now flip the panel end for end and mark the final length. Once again, line up the saw guide and cut this end of the panel to length. With that, you have a nice flat tabletop with ends that are smooth, straight, and square.